knew I'd find one eventually. Dirty diaper. Because, you know, that's what you do. When you have a dirty diaper, you don't pack it out like a normal person. You throw it on the ground like some sort of Neanderthal. It's the worst person in the world. I hate people that leave diapers. I don't dislike them. I hate them. They are the scum of the forest. Well, howdy folks, Shawn here from hikingwithshawn.com. Today we are at Bell Smith. It is Thanksgiving Day and we're going to do a little trash blast because that's what we do every Thanksgiving. But check this out. They put new signage up. Now, this is really cool. It's showing some scenes of back when the CCC was here building stuff. Has a jumping spring on there. Some stairs. Wow, that's pretty neat. New sign. And then over here they have really good sign. No glass, no campfires, no collecting, no garbage cans along the trails. That's really good. No service, swim at your own risk, pets on a leash. I like that. That's a really good sign. And then here's a cool trail map. So there you go. We're right here. So we're gonna get on this gray-white trail and the yellow trail and stuff like that. So natural arch. Here's some more Bell Smith Spring stairs that not a lot of people really showcase. This is part of the blue trail. Also breaking in some new boots, brand new, so they feel a little funny. Alright folks, really pretty area here. Someone's built them a cairn in the water. If the water was a little bit lower, I'd go dismantle it, but I think it'd go over my boot. Oh, I see trash. Gotta break out my big trash bag. Bluffage all over the place. Ah, the ones I hate the most. They throw it in the sticker bush. Those are the worst. Those are the true enemies of nature. Alright folks, so there's a bottle of bug juice with a string around it, and it was like tied up to this tree, still is. And I have no idea what the purpose of that is. But it's definitely difficult to get off. I have to get my knife out and cut that. And there you have it. Devil's backbone. Very low water. Sometimes that's deep enough where it's over your head right there in the middle. So, looks pretty low. Of course, it looks low from here, but I bet if I got in there, it'd be pretty deep right there. So, I'd get in there, but I don't have my swimming trunks. All right, folks. Here's some video footage of the very, very low jumping spring. It's pretty low. It's the lowest I've ever seen it. So, didn't look too deep, but they get up on this and splash down. It's probably still pretty deep out there. This is where the spring is, so this is where it always stays wet. So they say. But it's very pretty through here. Got this rock-like beach, usually pretty trashed. It's always, we picked up quite a bit over there. Glass bottles, stuff you're not supposed to have in here. And yeah. Tree stinks. Yeah, there's always something smelly over there. But if you happen to see people out here with glass bottles, do call Forest Service law enforcement. Okay, folks, in the jungle now, the giant cane jungle. There's always plenty of crap in here. Although it seems cleaner than it has been. Oh, there's my sunglasses. I don't want to lose them out here. All right, folks, here's the part where we work off the breakfast.
Breakfast? I've done work that on.
The stairs of doom. Last time I carried a bag of trash up these stairs, there's a shard of glass in it like there is today. And it bounced and hit my leg and cut me open. Probably should have had stitches, but didn't. So I'm gonna be careful this time. There they are. Take a pic. All right, folks. Probably make this the thumbnail of the video. May have more trash up top, we'll see. But that's what we got so far. Pretty heavy bags. So Michelle's bag's a little heavier. She got all the good stuff.
I got shoes.
Yeah, shoes and bottles of vodka bottles. And,
big bottles.
And we both got 2 diapers each, so.
Which is a lot less than normal.
Yeah, a lot less than normal, so. There we go. Alrighty, folks. That was Thanksgiving Trash Blast. And there we go. Feels good to do that.